Good day everyone. Welcome to Teacher Julie channel. Hello everyone. We have our new lesson in MAPEH 8, which is all about work example and lesson activity. This will be the first quarter topic, week 5 and 6, day 3 and 4, and this lesson is under the MATATAG curriculum. For the objectives, by the end of the lesson, 80% of the learners will be able to. First is to identify and describe the specific skills and responsibilities associated with each player position in softball, such as pitcher, catcher, infielders, and outfielders. The second one is to engage in a physical activity to practice and reinforce their knowledge of the correct player positioning on the softball field. And the third one is to express an appreciation for the specialized rules and skills required of each player position in order to work effectively as a team. For the work example, the teacher will play a video of the basic rules of the softball, and for each rule, the teacher may ask the students what skills are needed. The following are the role description and the skills of softball. So the first one is the pitcher. So it throws the ball to the batter, aiming to get strikes and prevent hits. Also field balls hit near the pitcher's mound. So for the skills needed, strong arm accuracy, mental toughness, and quick reflexes. Another role in softball is the catcher. So it catches pitches, prevents stolen bases, and fields bunts. It communicates with the pitcher to call the pitches. And for the skills needed, it has strong arm, quick reflexes, good communication, and the ability to handle the physical contact. Another role in softball is the first baseman. So fields balls hit near first base, catches throws from other infielders to get outs of first base. So for the skills needed, good catching ability, quick reflexes, and strong defensive skills. Another role in softball is the second baseman. So for the description, fields balls hit between the first and the second base, covers the second base on steal attempts, and turns double plays. For the skills needed are the quick reflexes, agility, and good throwing accuracy. Another role in softball is the shortstop. For the description, fields balls hit between the second and the third base, covers second base on the steal attempts, and turns double play. And for the skills needed are strong arm, quick reflexes, agility, and good defensive instinct. Another role in softball is the third baseman. For the description, fields balls hit near the third base. It covers the third base on steal attempts and makes long throws to first base. And for the skills needed, strong arm, quick reflexes, and good defensive skills. Another role in softball is the left fielder. For the description, fields balls hit to the left side of the outfield, backs up the third base, and makes throws in the infield. For the skills needed are speed, strong arm, and good catching ability. Another role in softball is the center fielder. For the description, it covers the most ground in the outfield and fields balls hit to the center field and backs up the other outfielders. And for the skills needed are speed, strong arm, and the excellent catching ability. Another role in softball is the right fielder. For the description, fields balls hit to the right side of the outfield, backs up the first base, and makes long throws to the third base. And for the skills needed are strong arm, speed, and good catching ability. Another role in softball is the batter or the base runner. And for the description, it hits the ball pitch by the pitcher, aiming to get on base or drive in runs. So runs the bases after hitting the ball or getting on base through a walk or hit by pitch. And for the skills needed are good hand-eye coordination, batting technique, and strategic thinking, speed awareness, and good decision making. And for the lesson activity, the students will accomplish the activity 3, which is all about player positions. So using the learning activity sheet 2, ask the students to write the name and mark the approximate location coordinates of each of the 10 player positions. Then after the activity, the teacher may ask the class to imitate the correct positioning in a field.